Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Dell Pro 13 Plus. Now this is one of our new Dell Pro laptops where you will see a 13-inch option, which is what we have here, but there also will be a 14-inch and 16-inch option in the Plus tier of our Dell Pro laptop portfolio. Let's jump into the unboxing. And right off the bat, you've got an awesome sustainable box. Ooh-wee. Oh, aluminum chassis. Don't you love it? HDMI, USB-A, Thunderbolt. Can be configured with a smart card reader. You do have your Noble Lock, USB-A, headset jack, and if you do configure it with a YWAN, pretty sweet. A lot of innovation went into this little guy. Over here, that is going to be your NFC. You will see Intel Core Ultra Series 2. So you will have options for Lunar Lake, which is the latest and greatest from Intel right now. And coming soon, you will see Arrow Lake. So looking at ships with a 100 watt AC adapter, depending on config. That could actually be a 65 watt. But what I love is, for those of you familiar with our Latitude 7000 series, this Dell Pro really gets you a device that is gonna look and feel like that. Brand new branding, super thin, a lot of innovation. Don't you love it? Thermals, optimal collaboration experience. This is a 2-in-1, so you will be able to use it in tent, presentation, tablet. Don't you love it? Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.